Assalamu alaikum. Today's video I will show you how we can open or create a limited company at United Kingdom so that we can create legal business PayPal account legally or Wise business account or Stripe account on behalf of our legal government documents from Bangladesh. So everyone of you know that when we want to create any business PayPal account or any Stripe account, it's not possible if we are located at Bangladesh because there is a restrictions from those companies. That's why we couldn't able to open any Stripe account or any PayPal account or Wise business account. That's why we have to open a limited or LLC company from outside of Bangladesh, like United Kingdom or USA, where it's valid and there is an option that non-resident person can open or create a limited company or LLC outside of UK or USA. That's why every one of us wants to create a limited company or LLC from United Kingdom or USA. But today's video I will show you how we can create a private limited company from United Kingdom, as everyone of you know that creating a private limited company at United Kingdom is cheaper than USA. So that's why we actually wants to create at United Kingdom, and I personally prefer to open from United Kingdom. Let's start how we can create a private limited company at United Kingdom. So to create a private limited company at United Kingdom, we have to choose a broker by which we can create a limited company at United Kingdom. As you know, it's not possible for us to visit United Kingdom and to create a limited company. So that's why we have to take help from some broker website like First Company Formation or Quality Company Formation, and there is so much broker service available online. So today's video I will choose Quality Company Formations, as I have a good experience with them and I am creating my limited company for last 2 years from this broker servicing company. So to create a limited company, first we have to choose package from Quality Company Formation. When you visit at qualitycompanyformations.co.uk, you can see that there is a two type, popular and a specialist. Under popular there is basic package, plus package, privacy package, complete package, and on a specialist there is an important thing which is non-resident package. So most of us suggest to select non-resident packets, but I don't support to select non-resident packets. It's a little bit costly, and that's why I always select privacy packets. And last 2 years I am running my business without any hassle by selecting privacy packets, which is cheaper as well. So I select privacy packets. So on privacy package, let's see what's included and which service they are providing to us, like package PSR, limited company formation online. It's the main by which we can create a company at United Kingdom's company's house. Business bank account, actually business bank account, if you are a resident person at United Kingdom, then you can open United Kingdom's business bank account, but as we are non-resident, so you will get only Wise business account to create. So here are some other things like free submission review, free online portal manager company, one.com or .co.uk domain name by which you can purchase, and digital certificate of incorporations, digital everything in this package. Actually you will get everything digital, certificate of all share certificates, memorandum and articles of association, digital company registered with the first entities, and you will get, most importantly, registered office address and service address, but you will not get any business address. So when it's all about registered office address, all the mail, all the first item will reach at this registered office address or service address. Registered office address is all about your company's address, and service address is where all the mail, all the first item will be provided at there, but they will not forward it to your Bangladesh's address, and they will only forward if you purchase the business address, which is included on non-resident address. So on my case, actually I don't need this business address because I don't need any kind of physical papers or physical things. So that's why I don't suggest to purchase non-resident package. So I suggest to purchase privacy package, which is cheap, like 19.49 pound plus 1 point something bet, which is 21 point something. So I already purchased this package, and I'm moving forward how we can create a company. So let's do that. So at the beginning we have to source our company's name. So I have sourced this company's name for by thinking the future of my business. So you can see I have taken a name which is Nishan Corp Limited, by which we can use all of my services under this company. Okay, so it will be a mother company, so that's why I have selected this company name, and it will obviously type of company will be limited by shares, and here I have to select a category. So actually it depends which category you should select. It depends on your business. So on my case I have selected information and communication, and from information and communication I have selected these three particulars. These three is SIC codes according to my business activities. At this moment I am providing services related to information technology consultancy, business consultancy, and digital marketing agency, and that's why I have selected this SIC code, by which I can run my business as smoothly without any hassle. So let's see, after selecting the SIC code you have to select it from here. Let's select web portals as well. If I increase my business, then it may also data processing. Okay, we can select only 4 SIC code. That's why I have selected this for information technology consultancy activities, other information technology service activities, other information service activities, and web portals. Okay, let's save and continue. So here registered address. So registered address already included on our package, so we don't need to purchase it newly, but when you will renew annually it will be 39. So you can see after particulars you have to select the registered address. Here you can see the registered address which is included on our package, but it will renewed annually with the charges of 39 USD, and you have to select forwarding address. This will be a forwarding address, and this is my current location. That's I have selected. Then 7 continue. Then we have to select the business address. So I didn't purchase the business address because I don't need to forward any physical mail or any non-government mail to my location, and that's why I didn't select. And you can also see this is an optional thing, so I don't select it. But if you think you need a PayPal business debit card or something like that, or Wise business card, on that case you can select it. If you want to purchase a UK phone number, then you can purchase the business address service, by which if you purchase a UK SIM, then you can use your business address, and when the business address receive this, they will forward to your Bangladesh locations by deducting a small charges. So if you want, you can purchase it, but if you actually need this, then I will suggest to not purchase this package. You should go for non-resident package. So after this, as I don't need this, let's go to save and continue. So here I have to appointment and official shareholder PSC and something. So I'm selecting something here, like I'll be the director, and I'll be the shareholder, I'll be the secretary, and everything else, because there is no other person here. So this is my thing. All the addresses and everything you have to provide it. So this is my service address, and this is the forwarding address. So service address will provided by quality company formation, and you have to select your forwarding address, and nature of control. So it will be 75% or more than by me, because I am the only owner here. And does the officer have a controlling influence over a firm, and the members has a controlling influence? Yes, of course. What influence or control does the officer have over the company in their capital within the firm? 75%. Sure. 75%. Yes. Does this officer have a controlling influence over a trust, and or the trust is of that trust which has a controlling interest in this company? Yes, of course. 75%, voting right 75%, and yes. So then select next. So here class, this is all about shareholding class. So quantity 1, currency GBP, and price is 1. It's you can see you don't need to make it so complex. When this package provides a company with one class of shares, the package that we have selected, so you have to select only one class, and which is ordinary shares, and all shares in this company carry equal rights. So that's why you don't need to make it complex. Keep it right like this, then go save, and then go to next. So here here asking for an appointment. So here everything is okay. So it is now a legal requirement to identify the person with significant controls of a company. Any person who ultimately controls more than 25% of the company is a PSA. If you are a shareholder with more than 25% of the company's shares, you are a PSA. There is a point. Please choose one of the following options to proceed. I want to go to current appointment value and click select and add a PSA. And quality, I want quality for me to add a PSA for me free of charge. I want to continue following my company regardless of the. So after legal, after completing the appointments parts, now we are at documents parts. Here let's say it legal documents, generic limited by shares article. It should be free by the company and you don't need to bother about this. So it's already selected. Let's save and continue. So here you can see they are asking us to select an invoicing. Actually this is an upsell by them. We will not select it, so we will go save and continue. Then they are providing some extra, which is this thing, and here we will not purchase this business telephone number or something like that. We will not only and not also purchase bad registration as well. Here you will purchase which is free. So I am purchasing Wise UK bank accounts because it's free. It's free. Introduction to an accountant, it's free, so we will purchase it as well. And then introduction to an account we got. So that's all. We don't need to take any other things. So let's, so this is an overview of my company, and let's check, and you have to check everything before moving forward. So after checking all the information that's provided here, we can select save and continue, but you have to select all the information is correct, and the address that we will provide should be under the name of your company. Okay, so here after selecting everything, they are suggesting to pay for the total amount, but I have already provided the payment, so we don't need to take anything. Just delivery details, select agree, and then check out now. So you can see order already submitted. Then a person will contact with us regarding what happens and what we will need. Then we will contact with that person who will from our quality company informations, and they will ask different types of documents, which is passport, your passport and your bank statement, where the information of the passport available, like the addresses that you that available on your passport, that should be mentioned on your bank statement for verification of your addresses. Okay, after providing all those things to that person who will contact with your email, then they will verify your company, and you can do whatever you want to create a Wise business account, or to create a PayPal business account, or to create a Stripe account. But when you will do that part for creating any kind of financial account, you have to be more careful which information you are providing, that should be correct, and you have to have all kind of documents in your hand before moving forward to create an account. Otherwise you will be in hassle and your account or your business can be permanently restricted by those financial companies. So you have to be careful. Thank you.